residential shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. Weather bulletin. Flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio: Morgan, Perry, and Washington. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Washington County in southeastern Ohio, Perry County in southeastern Ohio, Morgan County in southeastern Ohio until 7:30 a.m. At 2:23 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain has already fallen, with the potential for 1 to 2 more inches in the next several hours. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Marietta, New Lexington, St. Mary's, McConnellsville, Somerset, Beverly, Perry State Forest, Williamstown, Belmont, Bose, Harbor Hills, Crooksville, Newport, Thornville, Matamoros, Junction City, Malta, Corning, Lowland Stockport. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely.